In this video, I'll be showing you how to block adult sites on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your settings application and scroll down until you find screen time. Now, what you want to do is if you haven't got screen time turned on currently, just tap turn on screen time and then just read the introductory sheet and then go ahead and select this is my iPhone. Now, once you're here, scroll down to content and privacy restrictions, which is going to be towards the bottom. Now, toggle the main content and privacy restrictions master switch to the top at, put it to on, and the slide is going to turn green like mine is right now. And then what I want to do is tap on content restrictions below the toggle. I'm going to see a lot of different things like App Store, etc. And all I want to go ahead and do is select the web content area. So I can go to App Store, Media, Web, and Games, and I'm going to see web content within that right here. Now, currently mine is where unrestricted. But what I'm going to do is press limit adult websites. It's going to ask you to enter your screen time passcode that you made, and then it's going to limit any adult websites. And then you can always allow websites if you want to, or never allow websites if you definitely don't want to. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.